Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the knob component in WEAVR Creator. The knob component allows you to turn a game object into a rotatable control, similar to a real-world knob. You can rotate it in VR, and its rotation value can later be used inside the procedure editor to trigger actions or control other components. To begin, make sure your game object is properly positioned in the scene. It should have the correct pivot placement because the knob will rotate around its pivot. If the pivot is not centered correctly, the rotation will not behave as expected. Once the object is ready, select it in the hierarchy, go to the inspector, click Add Component, and add the knob component. After adding it, you will see several key settings. First is clockwise. If clockwise is enabled, the knob rotates in the clockwise direction as the value increases. If you disable it, the rotation direction is reversed. This allows you to control how the knob behaves relative to user input. Next is maximum rotation. This defines the maximum number of degrees the knob can rotate. For example, if you set it to 90 degrees, the knob will only rotate within that range. This is useful when you want to simulate realistic limits, such as a volume knob or valve that does not spin endlessly. Then you have local rotation axis. This determines the axis around which the knob rotates. You can set it to X, Y, or Z depending on how your model is oriented. It's important to choose the correct axis so the knob rotates naturally. There's also start rotation. This defines the initial rotation offset to the knob. If your model is not perfectly aligned at 0, you can adjust the start rotation so that the knob visually begins in the correct position. Next is the value slider. The value represents the normalized rotation of the knob. You can move this slider to preview how the knob rotates within its defined range. As you adjust the value, you will see the knob rotate accordingly, allowing you to test its limits and positioning. Because the knob provides a rotation value, it can be used inside procedures. For example, you can read its rotational value and use it to unlock a door, activate a mechanism, or trigger another action once it reaches a specific threshold. After configuring rotation direction, axis, maximum rotation, and start rotation, you can enter play mode to test it. Grab and rotate the knob in VR and confirm that it behaves within the defined limits and rotates along the correct axis.